Hello! I am Daniela of Quirky Sewing, and I am a self-taught illustrator and pattern maker from Bucharest, Romania. One of the things I do in my work is patterns. I love playing around with different shapes, colors, and scales, and create visually engaging repeat patterns. In this class, we will focus on using simple shapes like circles, ellipses, and triangles to create intricate flower designs, illustrations, and patterns. We'll use basic Illustrator tools such as the Shape tools, the Pathfinder tool, the Rotate, Reflect, and Transform tools to create more complex shapes, and the Blend tool to embellish and decorate our florals. And because there's inspiration all around you, and basically endless types of flowers, you'll never run out of subject matters to draw. So drop your pens and papers, open Illustrator, and grab those circles, triangles, and rectangles, and let's make some beautiful flowers.